Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to visualize your data using pie chart. As you can see, this is our data. This is the staff's names. This is their salary, state, age. So we're going to visualize this data with pie chart. So now let's begin. We are going to select this cell and select it all and go and select the staff's names by pressing Ctrl and select the cell, and then you go to insert. You can see pie chart here. We're going to use 2D. You click on it. As you can see, this is our pie chart. We have visualized our data. As you can see, they have calculated the whole salary together, and salary for Shuaibu, he collect the 28%, and salary for Bello, he collect 9%, and salary for Mubarak, he collect 17%, and Abubakar collects 21%. So this is how to visualize your data using pie chart. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.